Good morning, beautiful people. It is day 43. Look like I was hit by a bus. I feel like I was hit by a bus. So last night I thought my kids were coming up the stairs and we were just gonna have our grand old weekend recap and, you know, go to sleep. Yeah. My middle child came right up the stairs and ran straight to the bathroom and threw up. She was throwing up at her dad's house. She threw up 4 times in a 1 hour span. So of course I couldn't go to bed because I can't go to sleep and leave her up feeling like that. I was up at like 3 o'clock in the morning. My husband gets up at 4:30 for work. My body automatically wakes up when he wakes up. It's so weird. It's been like that for a long time, but AJ woke up, had a fever again. So now AJ has a fever. I'm feeling stuffy. Child has like a stomach bug or something. I don't know. Thought Monday was gonna be like a great, it's May 1st. We're supposed to have like a fresh start, go back to the gym and just, every day is not, he doesn't feel good. Every day is not glitter and rainbows. Yes, my love. I know, I'm gonna come sit with you in a second. Leave. Yeah, he doesn't feel good. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do all, I have a mess on this counter. Like I just have everything spread out. Usually I have everything lined up in the order I have to do it. So I don't even know. Let's just start. So we're gonna start with our shot like we do it every day. If you're new, this is our ginger lemon shot. Take it every morning. So many benefits to ginger lemon shot. Cheers. I don't know why I decided to make it extra strong this week. I just felt like I needed the extra ginger. Goli super greens.
Goli super greens.
Every morning and every night. And now, Organics Nature sea moss. So we're gonna take one right now, and then we'll take one later. So cute. Look at the little.
Okay, look.
It's a little bear.
Bear. It looks like a gummy.
The fat burner. This is the fat burner.
And
now, y'all already know my shake. 1 scoop of vanilla protein, 2 scoops of Dutch chocolate, 1 tablespoon of instant cafe bustelo, and now I'm gonna add in my sweet and creamy silk coffee creamer. Just about a tablespoon. It's all you need and it makes it so different. It's delicious. Mix it in. Obviously my kids are home again because I can't send them to school sick. A lot of people judge me for that, but like if she has a stomach bug and she's throwing up and I take her to school, then that means she's gonna pass it to other kids, and then other kids are gonna have the stomach bug and be throwing up. And I feel like when I was younger and it was just only them two and I had to be at work every day, like I'm like guilty because I would force them to go to school if they didn't feel good and then be like, okay, after an hour just go to the nurse and then have the nurse call me at work because that was the only way. Like then it was just me, so I had to be at work and I wasn't an entrepreneur. I was just going to work every day as a young mom. And the only way I can take care of my babies when they were sick was that they had to go to the nurse's office, and the nurse would have to call me at work, and then my job would give me the okay to leave and take care of them. But I couldn't just call in and take care of them because that was just the world we live in, which is ridiculous. Anyways, now that I have the freedom to work from home and whenever I want, I feel like they're sick, I need to keep them home. Like, it's just me. Anyways, I'm gonna make my shake. This is the sugar-free caramel and we're home. No shaker cup this morning. So we're going to be our little bougie selves and put our shake.
Yay.
My daughter is watching me. That's cool, right? No Prolessa. I drank all my Prolessa, so I'm just gonna drink my shake and then probably make a tea. But so right now, until I get my Herbalife check, which is like the 15th. So that's okay. We're gonna keep going, and I will see you guys when it's time to eat. I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy my shake.
Yay. I'm gonna go up the slide. Yay!
This is so good. Okay, so this is my ingredient palette. This is everything I'm going to use. You get your half a bell pepper and you just fill it up with the chopped salad as much as possible. Stuff it in there almost like a stuffed pepper. That. I made these teriyaki Alaska salmon burgers. It's just the patty, so it's 130 calories for just one of these. I'm going to put it right on top. You're gonna get this side, y'all gonna think I'm nuts, and you put it here like this, right, and then you just mush it down. Now you have a sandwich. I'm gonna let my husband mush his. One's his. So this is what it looks like before you mush it. This is what it looks like after you mush it. And I'll show you taking a bite. Let's take a bite. I learned this from TikTok and it's actually really good. The crunch is so good. Y'all gotta try it. So I'm not feeling my best, but I have to run to the store and I'm going to take one of these each before I go. I ate my bell pepper sandwich. There's only like 2 bites left and I couldn't finish it, but it was really good. And if you've never had a bell pepper sandwich, you should try it. It's so crunchy and delicious. I can't get this open. There it goes. Now I'm gonna take one of the energy ones. I'm gonna run to the store real quick and then I'll be back. Already 6 o'clock, so I'm definitely missed like my snacks and stuff for the day. But my breakfast shake and I had my healthy meal and it was good. So we'll see where the rest of the day takes us. Every day not gonna be perfect. See you later. Guess where we are.
Oh my gosh.
Give them a hint.
My hair's mermaid.
Oh, mermaid. I get it. We're in Starbucks. I missed 2 snacks today, so I'm just gonna drink this for a snack. 140 calories, just how I like it. Hey guys, so today has been like very weird because of everyone being sick and me feeling sick or whatever, but I did go to Target and have a shaken espresso, and then I came straight home and got everything cleaned up and started working on my online course that I want to create to help people grow on YouTube using their business. So I was able to get the cheat sheet done and set up my actual online school. But this is really cool because it's not going to be just like a typed up e-guide. I'm literally creating a course on how to grow YouTube and what I did to get monetized in 2 months. And I'm also creating a workbook that you can do with the course. So I'm really excited, really excited about launching this online course and getting it all together. But for now, I did create like a short little basic cheat sheet that you can kind of get started on, but like the juice is going to be in this online course. I'm literally putting like my heart and soul into it. But if you wanted to take a glimpse just to look at the school I created as well as the free downloadable cheat sheet, just click the link in this description to the video. I added it in my link tree, so it'll be the very first link that says download free cheat sheet. So if you want to just take a look, I'm so proud of myself. Okay, well, I'm gonna go do like a quick nightly routine. I'm not gonna drink a shake. It's late and I'm tired, so I still have to edit. I still have to edit today's video, so I'll be back in a second. Okay guys, so it's almost midnight. I'm not gonna drink a shake. I did make a tea when I was getting cleaned up. So I'm gonna finish my tea. I wanted to come on here and show you that I was taking my second dose of my CMOS gummy. I'm in love with them. Look how cute they are. So I'm gonna eat this. If you want to order some, the link is in the description to this video. Click my link tree and scroll down to the bottom and you'll see the Organics Nature link, and you can order these from there. They're so good. They literally like. I'm also going to take my second dose of the Organics Nature CMOS Ultimate Fat Burner. Cheeks, they're like turning red. I really feel like I'm catching a cold. My dose of super greens. Y'all probably like, damn, this girl be taking all kinds of stuff, but I'm trying to be healthy over here. That's all. I'm taking all this for the benefits for 100 days straight. Maybe I'll keep going, who knows? Y'all think I should keep going after 100 days? Initially started this to get ready for the Bahamas. I might just keep going. We're doing good so far though, so cheers to you guys. We're cheering me on. With that being said, I'm gonna go edit this video. I'm whispering because everyone's asleep, but AJ just kind of woke up a little bit, but I am gonna go edit this video. My video from yesterday just finished uploading. I don't know why they're taking so long. I will make that public, and then I'm gonna go to bed so I can get up and take my kids to school in the morning. Kamari's feeling a little better, so hopefully she'll be able to go, but see you in the next video.